crypto spaces, and in this video I will be doing a tutorial for you guys because a lot of people have been asking me, how do I buy MONAD memes? How, you know, it's kind of confusing. People are in my comment section confused, asking how do you buy MONAD memes. Well, it's very simple, right? All you have to do, in my opinion, this is probably the simplest way. You just have to download Phantom Wallet, right? You go to phantom.com. Make sure you type in phantom.com. It's the correct website. You create your seed phrase, etc. If you already have a Phantom wallet, that's great. You're good to go, right? And then once you have it downloaded, you go to your Phantom wallet, right? And then you go to buy, okay? You go to buy, and then you could literally buy MONAD directly. You could buy MONAD directly with a debit card or a credit card, right? And once you have the MONAD, right, you could swap it for any meme in the Phantom wallet. You don't have to do anything else. Once you have your Phantom wallet, you could literally do everything in the Phantom wallet, right? Now, say you're on Solana, right? You're on Solana. You only have Solana. You may not have access to buy MONAD or anything like that, but you do have access to get Solana, right? Well, if you only have Solana, I have $16 of Solana on this wallet right here. So I'm gonna go to Solana right here. I'm gonna click it. I'm gonna go to swap, and then I'm gonna swap Solana. You see these tabs right here? These are the different networks. I'm gonna go across, and right here is MONAD, right? Right here is MONAD. You see that? MONAD. I'm gonna click that, and then I'm gonna swap the Solana for MONAD, right? And there we go, swapping the Solana for MONAD. Now once you have some MONAD in your wallet, right, you have the MONAD by purchasing it directly in the Phantom wallet by hitting buy or swapping Solana for MONAD. You got some MONAD in your wallet now. You click the MONAD, you go to swap, and then once you have the correct contract address for Shrimp, you could get the contract address from their Twitter, the website, the Telegram. You swap, and then you paste the contract address right there, and there you're gonna see Shrimp. I'm gonna buy 300 MONAD worth of Shrimp right here, $6 of Shrimp. There you go. Now I got Shrimp in my wallet, guys. Simple as that. Straight to the point. There you go. That is how it's done, guys, right? Nothing too complicated. See, I got $6 worth of Shrimp, and basically that's all you need to do. Everything could be done in a Phantom wallet. If you want to buy any other, you know, MONAD meme, you repeat the same steps. It's just that simple. So I hope you enjoyed it, man. I hope I helped a lot of people out with this tutorial. As always, none of this is financial advice. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.